Capside Revelation is an audiovisual installation that emerges from the environmental DNA collected during the Capside project in the Amazon rainforest. This DNA holds invisible biological narratives, fragmented traces of life suspended in the bark, soil, water, and air. The collected environmental DNA was sequenced and translated into digital data. Each sequence becomes a unique informational pattern, raw genetic evidence of the ecosystem's invisible presence. These patterns are processed in real time by a custom digital interface. The installation operates as a living system, displaying the genetic traces in real time, inspired by the carbon quantum dots technology DNA visualization.